What the hell was that? I know. I don't know. It's almost like lightning. Because there's a big flash and
Probably
then...
nuclear. I'm not even joking. Whoa!
Ебать, опять сейчас.